Have you ever watched a toddler follow their morning routine with more confidence than most adults have before their first cup of coffee? Have you ever seen a 4-year-old proudly say, "First I brush teeth, then I get dressed," like they're managing a big corporate meeting? And tell me honestly, why do toddlers look more organized with a visual schedule than we do with reminder apps and planner notebooks? In today's video, we're unboxing something that turns chaos into calm and confusion into clarity: the Joy-Reel Wooden Visual Schedule Board. It's a daily routine tool that helps kids feel independent, focused, and in control of their day. Why visual schedules are magic for toddlers. This visual schedule is made for children ages 3 to 6, especially those who need extra structure, kids with autism, ADHD, or sensory processing challenges. But honestly, every toddler benefits from having a clear daily routine. Kids love knowing what comes next, what they're supposed to do, and how to do it on their own. The Joy-Reel Wooden Visual Schedule breaks their day into simple, understandable parts: morning tasks, afternoon activities, and evening routines, so they never feel lost or overwhelmed. One of the biggest struggles toddlers face is understanding time. To them, later could mean 5 minutes or 5 hours. Visual schedules fix that by making time visible. Instead of hearing repeated reminders, they see the plan. This lowers stress for anxious kids, helps children with ADHD stay focused, and gives autistic children a consistent structure that feels safe and predictable. What's inside the Joy-Reel Routine Board? Inside the kit, you'll find 75 activity cards, yes, 75, and 5 blank ones for personal routines. Every task, from brushing teeth to reading time, has a colorful picture card that's easy for kids to recognize. They simply pick a card, place it on the board, and follow the steps throughout the day. When they're done, they use finish tags to mark their progress. Something so small becomes incredibly motivating for them. Kids love completing tasks, they love checking boxes, and this board lets them do that in a fun, tactile way. The wooden board itself is sturdy and beautifully made. It measures 13.19 by 12.85 inches and weighs just under 2 pounds. It's solid enough to handle toddler bumps, drops, and carrying it from room to room. The smooth wooden cards with rounded edges feel good in tiny hands. Kids love the sensory experience of touching wood instead of flimsy paper or plastic. For sensory-sensitive children, this texture is calming and grounding. How this board builds smart, independent habits. When kids organize their day on the board, they're secretly learning essential life skills. Time management suddenly becomes child-friendly. They learn sequencing without needing lectures. First this, then that. They start recognizing patterns. Mornings have certain tasks, evenings have others. Over time, these patterns become habits. Independent habits. Each completed task boosts their confidence. Every time they move a card or mark a finish tag, they feel proud. When they check their routine on their own without being told, that's a huge milestone. This board gently teaches responsibility, one small task at a time. Parents often notice that daily arguments drop when the board is introduced. Instead of repeating instructions, you can say, "Check your schedule." The board becomes the guide, not the parent. This makes mornings smoother, evenings calmer, and transitions less stressful. Check out the product. If you're already imagining how this board could help your child, you can explore it here. Why toddlers love using this board. Toddlers are naturally curious. They love choosing cards, placing them on the board, and organizing their day. It gives them a sense of control they rarely get. For kids who struggle with big instructions, this board breaks everything into easy steps. No more overwhelming directions like "get ready for bed." Instead they see pajamas, brush teeth, story time, lights off. Because the activity cards are large and colorful, children instantly understand what each one means. The visual symbols do the talking, so even kids with speech delays or limited language skills can follow along confidently. Kids with sensory needs especially benefit from using their hands. Picking up cards, arranging them, sliding finish tags, these actions keep them engaged and focused. It turns routine into play and play into learning. The emotional benefits of routine for kids. Routines aren't just about getting tasks done, they help kids feel safe. When children know what to expect, they're less anxious, they're calmer, and they feel more in control of their world. This visual schedule gives children that sense of predictability. For autistic children, who often rely heavily on routine, this board provides structure they can count on. For children with ADHD, it supports focus and teaches them how to divide their day into manageable pieces. For all kids, it reduces meltdowns caused by sudden changes or unclear instructions. The board also helps with communication. Kids begin expressing what they want to add to their day. They talk about what they completed. They start explaining their routines in their own words. These small conversations build vocabulary, confidence, and emotional awareness. The wooden design looks modern and natural in any home. It blends with furniture, shelves, and playroom decor. Parents appreciate a tool that works well and looks good. The board is also incredibly durable. Since it's made from wood, it won't tear, fade, or bend the way laminated paper charts do. Kids can use it every day for years, and it still holds up. Because the cards are reusable, families can update routines as kids grow, something paper charts can't easily do. Another huge perk is how customizable the schedule is. You can build a simple morning routine for a 3-year-old, add chores for a 5-year-old, or organize after-school tasks for a 6-year-old. The routine grows with your child, not the other way around. The power of visual routines. In 2025, parents today are moving towards screen-free, sensory-friendly learning tools. The world is noisy, busy, and full of distractions. Kids need more hands-on ways to ground their day. Wooden Montessori-inspired tools are more popular than ever, and this visual schedule fits perfectly into that trend. Instead of glowing screens and beeping timers, children get a calm, tactile board that teaches real-life organization. It's simple, it's effective, and it has long-lasting developmental benefits. If you're searching for a birthday gift, holiday present, or something meaningful for a child who struggles with routine, this is an amazing option. It's practical, educational, sensory-friendly, and fun. Kids love the independence it gives them, and parents appreciate the calm it brings into daily life. It works beautifully for homeschooling, therapy sessions, early childhood classrooms, and everyday home routines. It's not just a gift, it's a tool that supports emotional development, behavior, communication, and confidence. Should you buy it? If you want a daily routine tool that helps your child stay focused, builds independence, and reduces stress, then yes, this is absolutely worth it. It's sturdy, well-made, and packed with 80 cards that cover every part of your toddler's day. It encourages responsibility, boosts confidence, and helps kids feel successful every single day. For toddlers, routines can feel overwhelming, but with the Joy Real wooden visual schedule, everything becomes clear, simple, and achievable. Whether your child is brushing their teeth, cleaning up toys, getting ready for bed, or preparing for school, they'll feel motivated, organized, and proud of themselves. Upgrade your child's routine today. To give your toddler the gift of independence and a calmer, easier routine, check out the board here. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Comment below and tell me which routine your child struggles with the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.